Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm actually making lunch. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But I did get a little treasure given to me today. And I'm going to share it with y'all after I get done eating this bacon sandwich. Alright guys, I'll be back in just a flash. Oh my gosh, guys. That was delish. It definitely hit the spot. Alrighty, so I was gifted something today. And that's what this video is about. And I want to take a little time to show you what I got. And I know some of you are probably going to think, that's a silly gift. Why are we talking about that? But when you live like I do, and you're blessed with the things that I'm blessed with, you don't take advantage of those. So anyway, before I show you the gift, I am going to show you what I've gotten done here on the homestead. If I can get it right. There we go. We're turning it around. Let you all see what we've got done. This isn't going to be a very long video because I'm not actually doing anything. I've already done it, which is normally the case anyway. But I did get the grounds cleaned up. I got all the leaves, pine needles, pine cones blown into piles and strips like this. There's a bunch of needles over there. There's some more over there in the garden area, which I'm probably going to use just for compost. Same with those. This pile here I'm going to burn and just get it out of the way since it's right in the way. Those I can move into one pile. Just for right now until I get my beds made. I'm not using that area. So I'll just let them compost until I get ready to deal with it. I've got another pile back here. And I got some still on the fence row that I got to rake up. But I haven't gotten that far. Because, like I said, I was gifted with something today. And it did require some work. But it should. Not everything in the world is free. And even things that are free aren't free. So I got to put a little work into them. So, anyways, let me go ahead and show you what I got. Walk around this way because it's on this side. So a guy I work for, we're getting ready to build him a deck, but I've done other projects for him already. But a guy I work for had a bunch of material laying around that he didn't need, and I am in need of, and this is part of it. All the PVC for the water lines. I already had this pile over here reclaimed off of other jobs. So I do have a good start. Check out that hydro startup right there. If you can see it, the pipe with the holes in it, that's for planting hydro. But anyway, I did get several. There's probably, 7, 8, 9 longer sticks, probably anywhere from 6, 7, 8 feet long to 10 feet long. I did get that. And let's take a walk over here to the garden area. And I am going to be making raised beds. And then with the rest of this, I'm going to be using some of this for my house. And so it's not all going to be used for what I'm going to turn it into. But there's probably 25 maybe more, 20-foot sticks there. And I'm going to be using those to make greenhouses over my raised beds. And I'm also going to be using those to make my chicken coop out of. Hoop coop. So anyway, That is a major find, guys. To me it is. I mean, that's several $100 worth of water lines that I didn't have to pay for, which I don't have, you know, that much I'm going to use for water lines, because the kitchen is going to go right there where them stairs are eventually. And then the bathroom is on the other side. So I'm going to probably use 3 sticks to go from the kitchen into the bathroom. And then you know how high your faucets and all that are. So a stick back there, 2, maybe 3 in the bathroom, between the shower and the sink and the toilet and all. And then going up from the water line coming in to the kitchen will be, what, 1 stick total, you know, for your risers. So anyway, guys, like I said, not a major deal, but I mean, $400 or $500 worth of material, that's easily several $100 worth of PVC right there. And like I said, I'm using it for chicken coop, greenhouse covers, hoop coops for the hoop covers, you know, greenhouse covers for the raised beds, so I can plant early in the spring. And then I can also use it for shade in the summer once I put the shade covers on the hoops. So I think we're good on water lines, guys. I might need to get some sewer, but I doubt it, because I've got it over here. I'm pretty sure I've got enough to do, not all my sewer, because I've still got to do, I'll spend a little bit if I don't, you know, reclaim some other material sooner or later for the septic tank and the drain fields. But there's several. I've got all of the sewer lines for the bathroom right there, except for going from, you know, the downspout in the bathroom out the floor to the septic tank. So anyway, there's a lot of sewer there, a lot of plumbing pipe there. So, and all the fittings, I've got a bunch of fittings in there. I know there's a bunch of pine needles, but that's what you get when you live under pines and cedars. I just blow them out a couple times a year. Well, for the last year, because I've had this right here for over a year now, building my cabins. And I wasn't in no hurry to do water, but now I am. So I'm ready to hit it and get it with the water. What are you doing, Moses? Moses, what are you doing, buddy? Alrighty, guys, that's all I wanted to show you. Nothing major. Just kind of cool when you can show the things that you're putting together your house with, and knowing that it's out there if you just, you know, you got the right connections. And I'm not saying, you know, $1 million connection. I'm just talking about people in general that are in the industry, people in general that build their own homes, have the material left. I mean, that's luck. That's a luck to find that much of that at one time. So I'm blessed. I'm thankful. And I appreciate y'all watching. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. That way I can show what I'm getting done. Alrighty, guys, thank you. Appreciate it. Y'all have a good day. Don't forget, salute to the red, white, and blue.